welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel first and hit that small bell icon so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. So my name is Ritika. I forgot to tell you my name. आप लोगों को पता ही होगा. My name is Ritika. So आज मैं करने वाली हूँ, आपको लोगों को टाइटल से पता चल गया होगा या थंबनेल से तो पता चल गया होगा कि नो ब्रश मेकअप चैलेंज. इसमें होगा कि मैं कोई भी ब्रश या फिर मेकअप स्पॉन्ज जो होता है वो यूज़ नहीं करूँगी. आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ माई फिंगर्स. हाँ, मैं पूरा मेकअप, ये जो मैंने पूरा मेकअप लुक अचीव किया है वो सिर्फ मेरे फिंगर्स से किया है और वो भी बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल दिख रहा है और अमेजिंग दिखता है. ऐसा नहीं कि हमारे हाथों में कोई जादू नहीं है, मोस्टली हमारे हाथों में ही जादू है. सो आप लोग हैंड्स अपने फिंगर से कैसे मेकअप करोगे ये मैंने चैलेंज लिया है और ये बहुत ही अमेजिंग आउटलुक आया है इसका और आई होप आप लोगों को भी अच्छा लग रहा होगा ये मेकअप लुक. सो ये मेकअप लुक आप किसी भी वेडिंग में भी पहन के जा सकते हैं या फिर आप लोग कहाँ पे अभी वेडिंग सीजन चल रहा है सो आप लोग वेडिंग में भी ये मेकअप लुक अचीव कर सकते हैं. और मैंने इंडियन अटायर पहना है इसलिए कि ये लुक बहुत ही हैवी नहीं कहा जाएगा, बहुत सिंपल और सटल लुक है, लेकिन इसमें शिमर आता है तो इसलिए हम उसे हैवी कहते हैं. सो इसलिए ये मैंने लुक अचीव किया है आप लोगों के लिए. आई होप आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा हो. और आप लोगों के पास अगर हम लोग जैसे ऑन द गो मेकअप करते हैं हमारे फिंगर्स से 2 मिनट में हमारा मेकअप हो जाता है, वैसे इसके लिए 2 मिनट नहीं लगा, इसके लिए बहुत टाइम लग गया. लेकिन आप लोगों को प्रोसीजर समझ में आएगा कि अपने फिंगर से भी आप कैसे मेकअप कर सकते हो विदाउट ब्रश. अगर आपके पास ब्रश नहीं हो या मेकअप स्पॉन्ज नहीं हो तो आप लोग कैसे मेकअप करोगे. सो येस, विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम एंड गिविंग यू any speech more, so let's jump into the video. So first I'm going to hide my dark circles, for which I'm using LA18 orange lipstick, for which I love this lipstick to just do my correction on my face for dark circles and acne marks. So yes, I'm going to do that first. Then I'm going to use Swiss Beauty concealer. So I just love this concealer and it is amazing and it blends very beautifully. So I'm going to use this concealer on my dark circles where I have applied first the LA18 orange lipstick. So I'm going to hide that with the concealer. So yes. I'm going to use is the MAC foundation. It is amazing foundation and I know my face is looking little whitish now, but after using this foundation it looks amazing. So yes, we have to blend it very nicely because of the finger. It's little difficult to blend the foundation, but yes, we have to keep the patience. So let's see how it turns out. So you can see the skin now, it's looking amazing. The foundation is blend very beautifully. Again, next I'm going to apply the Swiss Beauty concealer, and I'm going to use this time little concealer because I don't want a heavy look to get created. So yes, and I have to blend this very carefully. Blending is most important, and with finger it's little difficult, but yes, it turns out very beautifully. So yes, let's see. So yes, I'm done, and you can see it's looking amazing. I have blended very nicely. So next I'm going to apply is this Pond's powder, and this I am going to apply because I need to do baking on my face, and it works amazing, and it gives your face a freshness and brightness to your face. So I don't have loose powder, so I'm going to use this translucent powder. So yes, I hope it look good. So next comes is the eyeshadow. I'm going to apply the lightish brown which matches to my skin tone for as a transaction color. So yes, let's see. So then I'm going to apply is the brown shade. It is a dark brown. It is not a shimmer. It is in a matte form. And first I'm going to apply at the inner corners. I need the inner corners to be dark. Then slowly I'll blend it at the outer side of my eyes. So yes, you can see how I am doing it, and you need to do it very nicely. It should not look too harsh, and your eye should not feel too heavy. So yes. So next I'm going to apply is the black. This is also a matte black color, and I'm just going to use little to give that smoky flavor to my eyes. So I hope I am doing it perfectly, and you guys can see it is only a little black color, and you have to blend it very nicely. And yes, you guys can see how it's looking. I'm going to use this brown shimmer which I'm going to apply at the inner column of my eyes, not the I'm not going to blend it to the outer column. I'm just going to apply it on the inner column, because outer column I have applied the black. So I want that combination of black and brown. So yes, you can see how it's looking, and I'm just going to blend it very carefully, guys, and you can see how it's looking. And then I'm going to take a little dark brown which I'm going to apply on the waterline of my eyes. You can see how I'm applying it with my fingers. And next is the blush. So I'm not going to apply the powder blush. I have this Huda Beauty pink lipstick, so I'm going to apply this because it's little difficult to play with the powder blush when you use your fingers. So I feel that this is more convenient for me to use the lipstick. So yes, I'm going to apply is the highlighting, which is absolutely my favorite. So first I'm going to apply on the brow bones, the tip of my nose, and on my cheek, which is most important. Next is mascara, without which the makeup is incomplete. I just love using mascara. And yes, So next is comes for white kajal, which I'm going to take on my finger and apply on the waterline of my eyes, and it looks amazing. I just love. And this is actually a no brush makeup challenge, so I have to use my fingers to apply it because I just love this kajal. For the first time I'm going to use this lipstick liner, and this, I think so I'm using it right, lipstick liner. I just love this liner, and I have not used it before because I thought that it won't suit to me, but it is looking amazing. I just loved it after applying it, and your lip looks very beautiful, so every girl should use now this. So next is I'm going to apply lipstick. This is LA18 brown lipstick. I just love this lipstick, and most important that this lipstick moisturizes my lips, and it is a matte, and I just love this lipstick. And yes, this is the final look. So hi, I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys liked it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit that small bell icon so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. So we will meet you in the next video. So until we meet, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.